What is up, everybody? It is me. Yeah. Anyway, we are in a drum pad, and I am none of my cousins are here. None of the cousins let's play except for me are here. So this remember in my last video whenever I reviewed these. Yeah, so, well, actually, no, I didn't post that. I don't know. Well, I did something, and, basically, 2 years ago, me and my cousins made songs, and they're really cringy. They're like older kids work together, younger kids work together, so me and R work together. Not, like, there's barely even an age gap, just the youngest, you know? Like, we're just the youngest out of the four, so we had to, we were together and making a song, and of course, since they added us by age, Little Sisters are the best, that's what we made our song. And it's like, little sisters are the best, better than the rest, big sisters are the worst, because of blah blah blah, stuff like that. Like, there's really weird stuff in this, and as a prank, as like a little jokey joke, I'm going to be making a beat and like making a music video to it. So yeah, guys, I just literally forgot about the video I just posted. I was like, yeah, I didn't make a video, so I just explained it all over again. But that is good in case you didn't see my last video. But anyway, this is what I have for the Little Sister the Best thing. Little sisters are the best. Boom, boom, boom. Bedrooms in the west. Boom, boom, boom. Big sisters are the worst. It sounds like a cheer chant or something. Because they always crush. Big sisters are the worst. Little sisters always first. We may be annoying. Unlike big sisters, we are never ever boring. Big sisters are so kissy. They are ever so pissy. Big sisters get married, but while we get carried, they go to high school. We say high school. They act so cool. They need to go back to preschool. They have college. Most of them look like an ostrich. They look so tough. Look at us. We both. They talk about the friends when they don't even have a boyfriend. Done over our breakup, and we like birds up. It's cringy. And yes, guys, before you comment how horrible it is, it's supposed to sound like that. Okay, it's supposed to sound bad. That sounds weird, but it's a prank. Like, they're gonna laugh at it. That's the point. Anyway, hopefully they don't watch these videos. Well, this surprise, less pranks, less amazing thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep on trying to work on this. I feel like this is too boring, or like, I don't know. I'm just gonna continue seeing what I can do. Okay, guys, so I think we got that one covered. We got it covered. Like, it's good. Like, we got it. Wait, yawn. Beep. Whatever. Anyway, I think I have that covered, but I have a problem. For J and M's song, theirs is not more like ours, like a weird poem, like rhymey thing. Theirs is like a love thing, which is weird because they were very young. They still are, but still. I think only one of them had a boyfriend. It's weird. Anyway, so I have a problem because I can't use the drum pad for this because listen to all this. Look. See, it's all like that stuff. And the only like vocal thing they have is Hey. So guys, I found this. The problem is, I don't know how to play. See, I really can't play. Wait, there's piano? Wait. Okay, I don't know how to play piano either, but I'm better at piano than I am at guitar. So, maybe what? Okay, I'm just. Wait, there's a jumping on. Oh wait, I know it's gonna be like the jumps. Oh wait. What? Little sisters are the worst. No. Little sisters are the best. Better than the rest. Okay, that's a maybe. You know. What's a metronome? Yeah. Bum 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 bum. I honestly don't know what I'm doing, guys. So I'm just gonna keep on looking and I'm gonna see if I can come up with anything. So yeah. Well, guys, that's just it for today. I will continue trying, and if I don't see anything, I'll keep on trying after that, because never give up. It's inspirational stuff, you know. But goodbye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn those post notifications if you want to know when we post a new video. Bye, guys.